Hello everyone, hopefully you're doing pretty well today. My name is Deborah of Crafty Chalk Creations and welcome to my channel. I wanted to do this video to let you know about this adorable Try Me sample kit that you can get shipped to your house for under $10 within the United States. This is for those of you that have been watching my creative journey with Chalk Couture. You want to give Chalk Couture a try and start your creative journey. This kit is perfect for you. In this kit you'll be able to make an adorable gift tag. You receive everything that you need to make that gift tag. You'll get your reusable Be Kind mini transfer, a chalk suede gift tag with the baker's twine, so that way it is an actual functioning gift tag, a packet paste of storm gray, mini squeegee, as well as the instructions to complete your gift tag project. I will also include a thank you card, and I will have a link posted down below in the description box. That way you can get started with your creative journey and get this Try Me sample kit for under $10 shipped to your house, and that's within the United States. Thank you so much for watching. You enjoy your day and get started with your creative journey.